The Xbox Series X is 2020's most anticipated piece of tech, and it's still sold out at most places. But I was lucky enough to get my hands on one, so let's quit talking and get into this unboxing. There you have it, the 4K gaming beast. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and use it for a few weeks and to let you guys know my general thoughts on whether it's worth the $500 price tag in a video coming very soon. So stay tuned for that, make sure to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching, see you next time.